Okay, number two. Siyempre, pag humingi ka ng proposal, matino yung proposal. Contract man ito, agreement, or a simple proposal lang na kung ano yung ah, job scope and ano yung output and ano yung pricing or details na ilalagay nila. Siyempre, importante yan para malinaw yung usapan. Hindi yung sa salita lang tapos babawiin? Naku, big no-no yan. So, importante na yung ating word ay nakasulat and both parties agree on that. So that wala yung sisihan. Wala yung, oh, akala ko kasama yun. Oh, akala ko pwede yung ganito. Oh, akala ko sinabi mo ganyan. Maraming ganyan. Maraming ganyang client. And syempre, may ganyan ding mga creative or studio. So, iwasan natin yan. Let's be professional about it. Once we write it down, then we follow through for both parties. Alright? Para lang malinaw. Pero at the same time, maganda yung we also give more dun sa kliyente. Of course, that's not a requirement. And ang gusto lang naman natin is we go above and beyond para sa kliyente para naman happy sila. And at the same time, tayo rin, mga creatives and studio, happy din in giving that service and professionalism. All right? Okay.